Hey everybody, in this video we're going to graph the function y equals 2x plus 3 using something called slope-intercept form. Alright, so first of all, come over here and grab your first color, like this, okay? And it says first underline the slope or the m value, okay? Well remember, the m value or the slope is connected to the x. So the 2 is the m value, okay? And then it says next underline the y-intercept with a different color. So come over here and let's pick a different color. And the y-intercept, remember, is the b value, so that's positive 3. Okay. So the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is positive 3. So now we can graph the function. So let's pick a different color. All right. So remember, this value is the y-intercept. So that's where the graph touches the y-axis. So let's start at 3. And then the slope is positive 2, which is really 2 over 1. So we're going to rise 2 and go over 1. So up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1. But let's also go down 2 and left 1. All right? It's the same ratio. Down 2, left 1. Down 2, left 1. Down 2, left 1. If you want to, you can go all the way through the end of the graph. Okay? So finally, we're going to connect all the dots as neat as you can, and put an arrow at the end because the graph goes on forever. And there's our graph, y equals 2x plus 3.